Is business as usual not working for you and your company? Do you need to step up your game? In previous posts, I introduced the concept of creating breakthroughs through the power of a declaration. As a leader, consider declaring a breakthrough project that will take your business to the next level. To qualify as a breakthrough project, it must produce an unprecedented result. Since a real breakthrough does not have an historic precedent, it cannot be planned based on past methods or practices. The team must commit to the breakthrough first, and then plan from the future back to invent a strategy and plan to fulfill the commitment. By committing first, you actually create the first breakdown, which is you don't know how to make the breakthrough happen. Look at a breakdown as an interruption in the flow toward achieving your commitments, or a gap between your commitments and where you are now. In order to resolve this first breakdown, you must keep inventing new possibilities, approaches, and methods until you have a strategy and plan that, at least on paper, resolves the breakdown. Here are some key points to consider as we explore the breakthrough creation process. A breakthrough is created by deliberately creating a breakdown. Actually, the bigger the breakdown, the bigger the potential breakthrough. Once you resolve the first breakdown, other breakdowns will happen on the way to the breakthrough. Breakthroughs are always a result of well-handled breakdowns, starting with resolving the first breakdown. In order to create a breakthrough, the team must master the following conversations. The first conversation is the conversation for declaring breakdowns. Here, the team's willingness to declare breakdowns or potential breakdowns is critical to the breakthrough process. The declaration of a breakdown temporarily stops the action, pulls the team out of their automatic way of being, and brings the team's attention to potential issues that could prevent the breakthrough from happening. The next conversation is the conversation for facts and interpretations. Here the team is trying to gain agreement on the facts of the situation and understand how everyone is interpreting these facts. Also, during this step, you're trying to see if the breakdown declaration is valid. The key here is not to collapse the interpretations with the facts and have the interpretations live as facts. Once the facts and interpretations are documented, the next conversation is the conversation for possibilities. Nothing comes into existence that is not a possibility first. The trick here is to brainstorm sufficient possibilities that have the potential of resolving the breakdown. At this point, there are no evaluations of the possibilities offered by the team. What you want to do is capture every possibility until the team has no further possibilities to offer. Once the possibilities are on the table, the next conversation is the conversation for opportunities. During this conversation, the team is vetting the pool of possibilities to determine which possibilities represent real opportunities for action. These are the opportunities that have the highest likelihood of resolving the breakdown. After you've determined the opportunities, the final conversation is the conversation for action. This is the conversation about who is going to do what by when. This conversation determines the network of requests, offers, and promises necessary to execute the opportunities and resolve the breakdown. This ultimately becomes the project plan that will guide the breakdown resolution process. If you want to learn more about how to develop a culture where breakthroughs are possible, please reach out to me at 858-774-6041 or email me at rcepple@strategic-momentum.com. I look forward to speaking with you.